Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you 10 easy tips for living an eco-friendly lifestyle. These tips are simple and can help you make a positive impact on the environment. Tip 1. Reduce single-use plastics. Single-use plastics such as straws, plastic bags, and water bottles are one of the biggest contributors to plastic pollution. You can reduce your usage of these items by bringing your own reusable alternatives. Tip 2. Use energy-efficient appliances. Switch to energy-efficient appliances such as LED light bulbs and Energy Star certified electronics. These appliances use less energy and can help you save money on your energy bill. Tip 3. Reduce meat consumption. The meat industry is a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions. Reducing your meat consumption can help reduce your carbon footprint. Tip 4. Shop local and organic. Buying locally sourced and organic produce reduces the carbon footprint of transportation and supports local farmers. Tip 5. Take public transportation or carpool. Using public transportation or carpooling reduces greenhouse gas emissions and helps save money on gas. Tip 6. Use natural cleaning products. Many household cleaning products contain harmful chemicals that can harm the environment. Switch to natural cleaning products or make your own using vinegar and baking soda. Tip 7. Compost food waste. Composting is an easy way to reduce the amount of waste that goes to landfills and can also help you create nutrient-rich soil for gardening. Tip 8. Use reusable bags and containers. Use reusable bags and containers instead of single-use ones. This reduces waste and can help you save money in the long run. Tip 9. Plant trees. Trees absorb carbon dioxide and provide oxygen. Planting trees can help combat climate change and beautify your surroundings. Tip 10. Support eco-friendly companies. Choose to support companies that have eco-friendly practices and use sustainable materials. By doing so, you are voting with your dollars and encouraging companies to become more environmentally conscious. And there you have it, guys. 10 simple tips for living an eco-friendly lifestyle. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more eco-friendly tips and lifestyle content. Thank you for watching.